Hello, everyone. For anyone who has not met me, my name is Catherine Beltran. I'm a lead coach here at Simplicity Ops. Today, we're going to be talking about a resourceful and important field known as the important information. This particular field does exist on a contact record, but it is also reportable. So let's hop on in. We're going to start by opening up a contact record. And then once that page loads, we're going to head on over to the right-hand side and look for the circle with the exclamation point. That is your important information. Click on that here. Now, once this opens, this is actually going to give you a pop-up with a completely blank box, which is a free form text box. So anything that you want to keep track of, this is the field to do that. I like to think of this spot to track maybe life changes, so good and bad. If someone's going through a divorce and I don't want my assistant to ask, how is the spouse doing? I'll store that here. Maybe more positive, they're expecting their first child. I again could put that in here so that way my assistant knows to say, hey, congratulations. I can store Benny information in here. I can store, again, any life change that could be impactful, any important information that I don't want to have to hunt through, pounds and pounds of notes or go and create a custom fields. This is another spot that I could really store that. So I'm going to come in here and say, John is expecting his first child. Please say congratulations. Congratulations. We will need to discuss this at the next review, as this could impact, of course, Benny's, all that good stuff. Now I'm going to go ahead and click Update Important Information, and it's going to look like it does absolutely nothing. Refresh your page, though. Once I refresh it, you're going to see a little magic trick. It turns it bright red. So it really is that quick stop, hey, take a look here that we want to again draw our attention to. If that's not obvious enough, it also stores under Know Your Client. So if you came over here to the left-hand side, important information exists right here. If that's too many clicks, and again, I'm still not going to see this, it shows up yet again at the bottom of the page next to our keywords and tags and user-defined fields with important information. So again, this will update. It'll track when you last updated it in here. You can always find this information from the contact record. As I mentioned, though, you can also find this under reports. So if I came on over and click on reports, there we go. And then scroll on down to the contact reports, you're going to see contacts by important information. So again, any contact that's in my system will now pop in here. And if there's anything on file, it's going to fill in under that second column. If I ever wanted to filter specifically by data, I can always come on over here to that filter and even type in like a specific text box. Everyone who is maybe again expecting something exciting, going through a divorce, having life changes, again, login information, Benny information, anything that you want to track, you can always find that here. Again, a real obvious field, but one that gets ignored very often.